Happy holidays, everybody. So we're filming Christmas Eve, or it's posting Christmas Eve, and just want to say happy holidays. We got festive. I've got, you know, your holiday dinosaur. That's what everyone thinks of. And Ace decided he wanted to be a reindeer, but he just took, it didn't last long. Anyway, okay, this is Rose from Bridgewater Public Library. All right, so today we thought we'd do something festive color-wise and try and do a poinsettia-ish. This is called a revert, and we're going to do a reverse dip. I hope you're all joining our winter program and getting us snowed in, and later on I will be giving you the special code word, but not right now. All right, so this is the bottom of just a water bottle. All right, so I just cut the bottom off, has these nice grooves, and we're gonna pour the paint. It's gonna drizzle. Oh, look, I didn't put my gloves on. I wasn't quite ready because the reindeer was ready before me. So then we're gonna drizzle it, and then I'm gonna turn it, and you're gonna get petals, hopefully. And then this reverse dip, I'll show you that when we get there. So colors are your basic colors, but very deep. You can layer your cup up and pour it over that way, or you can do it individually. I'm going to do it individually. And I am going to put a little white down first, just to so the paint will kind of flow a bit. I did make my paint a little thinner, so hopefully that'll help. And I'm just gonna try and spread it out a bit with just the stick. Okay. Oh, just a little, just so the paint will move. Last project, the paint was, I think, a little too thick, so I thinned this one out. This is another square. It's 14 by 14, so that's supposed to be about 12 ounces of paint. So I just want to get it covered so the paint will move. All right, so I hope you're all well, enjoying your holiday. We decided to get festive because this is as far as we're going this holiday. All right, so I'm going to put that there. So we're going to drizzle the paint on it, and I hope it works. All right, so this green is beautiful. I'm going to have to buy more of this green. So slowly put it, drizzle it. So, hope this works. I've never done the reverse dip before, so I hope that it works. We'll find out. Last painting, it didn't work, but that's okay. Not everything goes according to plan, just like in life. Just gonna put a little of that in there. This is, I got different brands. I don't know, I heard you should try different brands together, so then they have a chemical reaction according to what I'm watching. All right, so. So I hope you're all well, being safe. You know, it's a different holiday this year, but we do what we have to do. All right, so now I'm going to turn it so that we have petals in different spots. So I'm going to go, let's go here, maybe, just seeing which, so I'm just lining, well, we'll see. No right and wrong. And that's okay too. This is gold, but I don't know. Doesn't look gold, does it? So I do want to kind of use almost all this paint up, I think. The reindeer took off. Where'd the reindeer go? Oh goodness, there he is. All right, we're trying to go as fast as we can. All right, so I'm gonna let that settle for a minute. So while this is settling, I'm gonna probably, I think I'm gonna stretch it a little bit. We'll see. So while it's settling, I'm gonna tell you if my little friend will, I'm gonna give you the code word, special code word for today's video for the Getting Snowed In Winter Theme project is hot chocolate. Here's it. Here. Hot chocolate. So that's the word you're going to need. When you say you watched the video, it's going to ask you for the word. So hot chocolate. Okay. So now this is settled a bit. And I'm going to pick that up. And I'm going to take a stick. I'm wondering if the paint's too thin. Yeah. And I'm going to kind of see if I can do this first. Because we're trying to get a flower. And then I'm going to drag some of that in. I think I'm gonna pull some of that out here. And now I'm just gonna try to center this a little. Maybe not. It's okay if it's off center. So, okay. So the reverse dip, oh, we'll see if this works. I don't know. I'm looking at it. It doesn't look like the videos. All right, so it's just a paper towel, and I'm lightly wetting it down. I don't think I'm gonna have to wet it too much because the water's the water is wet. The paint is pretty loose. So then you take your paper towel. Yeah, I'm gonna do it this way so that I don't. And you put it on there. You make sure it's touching. Of course I missed, but you know. Okay. Then you pull it up each corner. Like I said, I have not done this before. Oh, that was, and you can't see there. And I'm gonna twist while I pull it up. Okay. Now I'm gonna, actually that's not too bad. I'm gonna torch it, see if anything develops. And I'm gonna stretch it a little bit. I might need some white to stretch it a little. Yeah, we're gonna do that so it moves. Actually, I don't need it to really move much over there. Just, I'm gonna move it down this way. All right, we're gonna see if I can get it to move without completely losing the floral look to it, which makes me a little nervous. It's like, I don't want to mess it up. And it's okay to have white negative space, which I'm not touching up there, I don't think. And the more I'm moving it, looks like the more cells I'm getting, which is kind of cool. I'm thinking I'm gonna just leave it because I feel like I might overstretch it, and it's kind of cool looking. So that's my poinsettia this year. So I hope you all have a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, and be safe. And it's okay if your celebration's a little different this year. I think most of ours are. So have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Peace, everyone.